We've already seen a little bit of what we can do with the style attribute using JavaScript. And this lesson, we're going to explore even more that we can do. So we know we can set the background color, we can set color and border, font size. We can also toggle the display value. So that's none or block. So when you do display none, then it's not visible within the page. If you do display block, then you make it visible once again. There's more information about what is available within the CSS. And there's also in the DOM string, so we've got the background color, image. So there is a lot you can do. So pretty much anything you can do with CSS, you can do within the DOM as well. So let's try that out. And opening up our editor, we've got a number of elements that we've been working with. How about we select the H1 and we make a quick update on it. So this is the H1 element using document query selector, selecting the H1. And we'll do some manipulations on it directly within the console. So we've got that element H1. And when we select style, within the Chrome browser, you see there's quite a bit here within the dropdown. We've looked at a few of these, such as background color. So just as you would when you're setting it with CSS, you can do it in JavaScript as well. So that's the background color. There's also, you can do color as well. And there's a lot of options. So color. And this, of course, will set the font color. So let's how about we make it yellow. There's also things like the display properties. So style and display. So setting it to none. So watch what happens to the H1. It'll disappear. If we want to bring it back, we can set it to block. And that will make it visible again. We can also increase the font size. So instead of style, let's select font. We can do font family. Font size is the one that we're looking at. So this can be any size that we want to set it at. So how about we do it 40 pixels, make it really big. Also, you can set padding, you can set border. So just as you would with CSS, you can set the border properties. So you can do the shorthand for border where we've got the dotted, so the type of border and the color of the border. And then the 5 pixels is the width of the border. You can see that it gets shown. You can also do style padding as well. So that's another common one that's done for a lot of elements, and 25 pixels padding. So I think you get the picture. There is a lot of options when we are doing this styling. So we also do have a challenge for this lesson. And the challenge, of course, is to update some of the style properties of the element below. So you can use the ones that I've used in this example, like the background color, the color, border, font size, and you can also do other ones as well to make things even more interesting. So go ahead and pause the video, try it out for yourself, and get more familiar with what you can do with style.